What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the wheel install. So today we're getting the wheels actually installed. You missed part 1 of my video. I'll put a link up there for that in terms of what wheels I selected and why. But today is getting the wheels actually put on the car, so super excited about that. First thing we got to do is go drop the wheels themselves. Obviously they don't fit inside the Porsche, so we're going to run them down the street to the place and get them installed, drop those, and then we got an appointment this morning, so I will take you along for the install and try to get some behind the scenes footage, but certainly get you before and after because I know that's what you guys want to see, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going with a local shop this go around just down the street here. Not where I get most of my other car work done, but I realized I actually have credit here from a long time ago for some work. And so we're going to use that just to do the simple mount and balance, the springs and alignment and all the other suspension work we're going to do at what I'll call a trusted shop here in town. But you know, this should be pretty straightforward. And so yeah, we're going to drop the rims and then we'll come back with the car and get it knocked out. Alright guys, wheels are dropped. We are all set from an appointment standpoint. So get them on. I'll make sure to get some before footage so you can compare that to the after. But excited to get these things on. I did test fit them, and the 5mm factory spacers, I'm going to try leaving on there. We'll see kind of how that looks, and you know, we can always easily take them off. Actually got a new quick jack lift at the house that I'm excited to get set up for a number of these projects, and that may be the first opportunity to use it to take it up and remove those if I feel like it's too much. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll get the install done tomorrow, first thing in the morning, and we'll get the final look. Alright guys, certainly a wet one today, but we are getting the wheels installed nonetheless, so on the way over there, just making a quick stop, but figured this would be a good time to do it before in a dry location. So like I said, these are the Cura S wheels that come on the car, so this is a factory upgrade from the stock wheels. They are 20s. You know, they're a nice wheel, you know, alloy, good looking, you know, kind of open spoke design, definitely sportier than the stock wheels that come, but you know, this is kind of what you start with, and a lot of people do stick with these wheels. So obviously we're making an upgrade today to the Titan 7 forged wheels in the gunmetal color, but you know, just wanted to do it before. I know most of you guys like to see kind of the transformation, that way you can get an idea, if you're thinking about doing this, of you know, how this may look when you change wheels. So this is where we're starting today, and you know, we'll get these installed in the next hour or two, and I'll show you guys how they turned out. that's a wrap. Super quick, only took an hour. Shout out to the guys at Discount Tire. I actually know a lot of people kind of struggle where to get tires done. I've used Butler in the past. They do an amazing job in Atlanta. Can't recommend them more. I had a credit here of a few $100s, and so that's mostly the reason that I decided to come here is I want to use that credit and get my money's worth out of that. And I've got to say, kind of your name brand, like chain tire places, certainly be cautious. A lot of people don't like to get things installed there. They're concerned that the rims may get scratched. They don't know what they're doing. They over tighten with their torque wrench. There's the whole litany of things that people will say about, go to a tire specialist, someone like that. I think that's probably still the case, but the one thing I can tell you is if you just do a little bit of engagement with the staff or the team at one of the chain places, and kind of set the expectation, tell them what you're looking for, those kinds of things, it can make all the difference. So when I got here, I said, hey, look, I've got a channel. I'd like to film some of this stuff, kind of hang out in the shop. I'm happy to do like whatever, wear safety glasses, stay out of the way. You tell me where to stand, but would it be possible for me to kind of watch the install? I like that kind of stuff. I'm into the builds, want to capture something for the channel. And they say, hey, you know what? No problem. Thanks for asking. We'd love to do that. And, by being in the shop, I'm able to talk to the guys, build a little rapport, answer questions on the spot. And, obviously that's going to have an effect on the level of care that they take. And, they took their time, they went slow, they asked a lot of questions. They asked me how I wanted the wheels torqued. Did they want to use a, manual or a gun? All these kinds of things. And so really, if you just go in and try to take a little bit extra time just to connect with the people doing your work, let them know you appreciate what they do. I feel like people in this industry all the time, get customers that come in and they're impatient and it's like, oh God, we just hurry up already. And it's just this entitlement, right? Just let these guys or gals know that you appreciate them, that you like being part of the process, that obviously you'd appreciate it if they take some extra care and time with your things because they're expensive and you care about them and those kinds of things. And that can go a long way. So anyway, super pleased. Really appreciate the team here. Hope you've enjoyed the wheel piece of this, between the overview of why I purchased what I did and then of course the install. Stay tuned to the channel. There are going to be many more episodes coming. Next up, we've got Aero Kit install coming in about a week. We've got springs tomorrow, so we're going to lower the car and check our springs and all kinds of stuff. So hope you're enjoying this. If you are, hit that subscribe button. It's right below you. Stay up to date on the channel and what I'm doing. Also, please go check out at 911 South on Instagram for a lot more photos and video content on all the stuff with the 991, the things I did to my 993, etc. So thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for the next one.